Welcome back to another tutorial. This session we're going to look at creating an order template. This is a really cool feature of the B2B. It allows you to save a template of the items that you would use regularly, week on week. You can have a relative kind of understanding of the amount of coffee or takeaway cups that you go through. So we'll jump on in and we'll start by just adding our coffee. So let's say we do 12 kilos on average per week. We'll add that to the cart. Yep, that's cool. Let's say we do some decaf. Don't have a grinder, but we do a bit of decaf. So we'll add that. Cool. Probably the next most important item would be our takeaway cups and lids. So variable, but depending on what kind of quantities you usually do. Let's just do this as a really simple base, okay? Cool, and we'll add that. Sweet. So now that we've created or we've added some stuff into our cart, we're going to go up and we'll click through onto our cart and we'll go through and coming down, and you'll notice here we have an option to create an order template. So we'll click on this. This can be something you'd like to add, or you can create a new one. So you only have the one option of a weekly order. And we'll just go ahead and create that template. We can call this our weekly order. Cool. So just double check that that is pretty cool. And then what we can do is we can amend it week on week. So say 1 week we are quite busy, we need a little bit extra coffee, or if we're quiet, we need less, we can change this. And same with all of the other features in here. Now, I'll go back and I'll show you how to kind of do that, but first we'll save our template. Perfect. So now if we jump back into our main page, we can check out by going down here and clicking on View My Order Templates. You can see that I have a couple here created. So what I want to do is view and edit. If I'm really confident and comfortable, I can just add it straight to cart, okay? But I want to view and edit this one. Sweet. So what I can do this week, yep, everything else is cool. I do, however, want to add something. So I am going to add this to my cart. And then I can continue shopping. And we can add some more items. So I went through a little bit of machine cleaner, so I can add that. And I need some sweeteners and some dump tube liners. Cool, so I can add those to my cart. That's not going to change my template, it's just going to add to the order for this week. Cool. And then just as in preparing a one-off order, we click through, make sure all of the details are correct, all of our quantities are fine. And again, another window here, put a purchase order in if we want, and then any comments necessary, and click confirm order and you're good to go. Cool.